I'm out here in the duck blind this morning and things are going kind of slow. And it's got me thinking a little bit about marketing and in particular how you generate leads on Google. When it comes to web marketing, it's important to make sure you're ready when the opportunity comes. Just like being out here duck hunting. You know, you can't control when the ducks come by, but what you can do is set yourself up to make sure that it's an attractive place for the ducks to land and to make sure that you're ready when they come by to take that shot. It's the same thing with the web. Is your website attractive? Is it easily found in Google? Can people locate it? And when they do, are they going to land? Are they going to stay there? And when they land, the most important question is, can we convert them to leads? Can we make the kill? And so to do that, there's three key components of your website that we discuss. The first is search engine optimization, making sure your website can be found on the internet. The second thing, traffic. Can we attract traffic to your site? Do we need to put out decoys? Where do they need to be? How many do we need? And finally, can we convert to leads? Can we make the kill? So for all my duck hunting fans out there, web traffic, web marketing, and web lead generation, not much different than duck hunting. The important thing is to make sure you show up and are there to make the kill.